Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Starcraft. Starcraft is a classic real-time strategy game where you command one of three distinct races: Terran, Zerg, or Protoss. Your primary goal is to gather resources, build a powerful base, and create an army to overcome your adversaries. We'll cover the fundamental mechanics, from managing your economy to executing strategic attacks, helping you embark on your journey to becoming a skilled commander. Effective resource management is crucial for success in Starcraft. You'll need to continuously gather minerals and Vespene gas to construct buildings and train units. Start by building a command center, or nexus, then expand with supply depots, barracks, and other production facilities. Aim to establish a strong economy early on, as this foundation will support your army and technological advancements throughout the game. Once your base is established, it's time to train your army. Each race has a unique roster of units, each with specific roles and abilities. Understand how different units counter each other to gain an advantage in battles. Practice using hotkeys and control groups to quickly select and command your forces. Strategic positioning and micromanagement of your units during engagements can turn the tide of any battle. To truly excel, develop a solid build order to guide your initial actions. Scouting is vital. Send units to observe your opponent's base and army composition, giving you valuable information. Be prepared to adapt your strategy on the fly, responding to enemy attacks or changes in their technology. With practice, you'll learn to execute complex maneuvers and outsmart your opponents, leading to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.